To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Remove the old filter. When reinstalling the housing cover, slide it down and flush it with the filter to slide the bottom tabs into their catch. Insert your new filter into the housing.
For this demonstration, we have reused the old filter.
Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.